Wynter's hair today. We are going to do a tutorial off of ohmymya. She's this adorable little Ethiopian African American girl that we follow on Instagram. I'm sitting down with her right now just to try to get her settled down and in the mindset of, hey, we're about to do hair. So I am going to be using for the first time on her hair Miel Tiny Tots, the Sachet Inchy Curl Enhancing Cream. This will be our first time using this. I don't know if you guys can see it. This thing is so bright. Let me see. There we go. I know I had to put that up so close. So I'm going to be using this as our curling cream. For her leave-in conditioner, I have not mixed them yet to see if they mix, but we're most likely going to use the Aunt Jackie's Quench leave-in conditioner. This is like honestly really all I have right now. This and a Cantu one. So I have to mix them to actually make sure they're going to go and not, you know, flake up her hair. So let's do that now. So I can give y'all accurate, you know, stuff on what I'm about to be using in her hair. Okay, I just gotta tell a little bit because, you know, I ain't trying to waste no product. It did. There you go. It did okay. Let me see. Let me just. Okay, yeah, it did okay. It did good enough. It just at first it started looking clumpy, but it's okay. It did fine. So we are gonna use that, and I am gonna be spraying her hair and re-wetting it with aloe vera juice, and then for Wynter I always do a LCO method in her hair. So leave-in, cream, and then an oil. So I'm gonna be sealing it with an almond oil. It's my main Choice Almond oil. I don't have that with me right now, but I'm gonna go get it. All the products will be linked below. And I'm also going to be, after her hair is finished, I'm gonna be dropping a few of this on her scalp, the Miel Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil. And this is to help just with hair growth and everything and hair retention. And you know, we're still trying to grow Wynter's edges back. They're still thinned out. They're finally there. They're there now, but they are thinned out still. And we're trying to get those back as healthy, of course, as the rest of her hair. And so I will be dropping a few droplets of this on here. So we're gonna hope the best for this hairstyle, and I pray it comes out right with, you know, her edges being thin and it going, you know, just straight to the back like that. I will insert a picture here of the style we are going to copy. And yeah, so that is it. And we're gonna hope for the best. Hopefully I ain't got to detour the style and be like, okay, nope, this ain't gonna work. But so I'm gonna get to taking down her hair and then we will start. Okay, so Wynter's hair is all unraveled, and I started on this side because this side I'm gonna start braiding on. Her hair looks a little bit thinner than what it is right now because I took out the flat twist, so it's all like separated and stuff, but you can still tell what parts are short, like, you know, see how it's thinned out really bad right here? And then like, if I brush it up, you know, it kind of helps it. But it's still, so it's growing back. As you can see, there's hair there, but it's thin. So that's the problem that we're suffering now, which is why I'm using the drops. I also have her on the Miel Organics gummy vitamins for kids. And we're using, like I said, the oil, and I use the aloe vera juice to also promote hair growth in the scalp. And I massage her scalp, you know, with the oils and stuff like that. So we're gonna get this good and wet over here for these flat twists. And just to let y'all know, I am not good at parting, so that's why I was like, I'm praying this hairstyle comes out good. I'm not like the best parter. Okay, well, I guess first I actually need to make this back part. And even when I'm trying to untangle her hair, I always wet it. Whether it's with the aloe vera juice or the water, which of course I'm always doing the aloe vera juice now, that stays in my water bottle. But yeah, I always wet it. I'll probably get her own stuff after a while, like her own water bottle and stuff like that, and her own comb and brush. Right now she just uses my stuff, but you know, I do want to get her own. That way she gets a familiarity of like, you know, this is hers. So I'm just parting it down the middle to the other side to kind of have the back section from the front before I even start. Okay. And we're just gonna clip this part. This will actually be really thin. I didn't want it this thin, but of course, you know, her hair is this thin, so I try to avoid doing thin pieces on her hair. And actually, before okay, now for our new product. Ooh. It's squirting out everywhere. It's not pumping. Okay, so it does not smell good. Luckily, the leave-in conditioner I just put in her hair does smell good. But, see, and now it's clumping up like what I figured it would do. See? And y'all seen me test it in my hand, so this really kind of just pissed me off because I didn't want her hair flaking up. So just to let y'all know, do not use the leave-in conditioner, I guess. Like, I don't know if this will flake with the leave-in conditioner, but we're gonna try Aunt Jackie's Curl Maintenance. This is like one of my go-tos, and it's really conditioning on her hair. We're just gonna have to try that other product with like a water-based leave-in or something. Then I'm gonna put some oil on it. Which this can be very like tedious because you gotta keep doing product after product. And then now I got the white stuff in my brush. Okay. And I am going to be using a little bit of gel just to kind of hold it for the weekend. I'm going to just use Miss Jessie's soft jelly curls. Can y'all see that? It's kind of, yeah, but, and just a little bit because I just wanted to have some type of hold. And I haven't found like a kid's gel yet that I like. And I really just put it around the edges and the root area. And that's what any gel that I decide to use on her hair, I put it in the same areas just so it can give a little bit of hold. Hopefully that does give good hold. I know it does for my hair, so. Y'all, this is so hard doing it like this while trying not to get in front of the camera and stuff, but I'm trying to give y'all a better tutorial on how I do her hair. And flat twisting is so hard with these nails. It would actually help if she turns some. I'm sorry if y'all can't see all that great. If y'all need a flat twisting tutorial, I'm not the right person for it. You would have to find a video on flat twisting, cause it's so hard with like her moving and me trying to not get in front of the camera and trying to make sure it's tight enough, and I got nails on. I'm just like, oh.
I've been feeling emotional, thinking about you, babe. What can we focus on? What we should do? Tell me the truth, cause I don't wanna see you with somebody else. And I've been feeling lonely in this king-size bed. I'm trying not to worry about the things you say. I ain't got the time, you're always on my mind. Baby, why you playing with my love? I'm trying to be patient with you now. I'll never be sober if you don't pull me closer. Look me in my eyes and tell me how. I'm hypnotized, I'm hypnotized. I've been feeling delusional, thinking about us, babe. Your body's so beautiful, all I want is your love, can't get enough. Cause I don't wanna see you with somebody else. And I've been feeling lonely in this king-size bed. I'm trying not to worry about the things you say. I ain't got the time, you're always on my mind. Baby, why you playing with my love? I'm trying to be patient with you now. I'll never be sober if you don't pull me closer. Look me in my eyes and tell me how. I'm hypnotized, I'm hypnotized. Baby, why you playing with my love? I'm trying to be patient with you now. I'll never be sober if you don't pull me closer. Look me in my eyes and tell me how. I'm hypnotized.
Okay, so we're done with the front. This is the front. As you can see, some of her parts look really, I guess, there it goes, gapped out a little bit. And that's just because, and I didn't do small, big. I know I was supposed to, but it was very hard trying to do that. So I'm gonna see how it turns out without that. And so now we're about to get started on the back.
I've been thinking about you. I'm waiting for it all to come true. I'm longing to hear you say, you know that I miss us. I wanna be the one that you trust, 'cause you have stolen my heart away.
front part of her head and the back. And we're gonna unravel it in the morning, but this is so far the look. This is the finished look. Wynter did not want to sit back on the chair. All I did was unravel it. She was giving me a hard time this morning to put her on camera and stuff. So she's watching her iPad on the bed, but the only thing is I didn't tie her hair up, and so her twist did get a little frizzy, especially because you know, she sleeps wild. She's a baby, and every time I try to tie her hair up, it just doesn't work out great. But yeah, but it still came out good. It's a cute style for the weekend. I do like it. And I did have to fix a couple pieces because she was pulling at her hair this morning and unraveled some. But yeah, if you have any other tips or tricks, or if you want to leave a comment below, you can. Other than that, we will catch you in our next video. Wynter, say bye. You say bye? She thinks she's still upset. Say bye-bye. Yeah, she's still upset. Doesn't want to be on camera.